Based on in-depth understanding of the ICT industry and years of experience in data center construction and operation, Huawei launches the FusionModule1000A data center solution for small data centers and outdoor CO equipment rooms. The FusionModule1000A IT scenario applies to data centers for government and enterprise users, mobile deployment, oil exploration, and mineries. The FusionModule1000A CT scenario applies to outdoor convergence transmission sites and edge data centers. FusionModule1000A uses a prefabricated architecture that integrates subsystems such as power cooling, cabinet, fire extinguishing, management, surge protection, grounding, and cabling a 20 feet or 40 feet ISO standard enclosure. The solution is 100% prefabricated in the factory and is commissioned before delivery. Products can be produced in batches and delivered as a whole. The data center facilities can be installed on-site within 1 day and bring a plug-and-play data center to customer. Provides Mercalli Intensity 9 earthquake resistance, up to 120-minute fire resistance, IP55 or IP65 protection, ultra-wide operating temperature range of -40 degrees Celsius to +55 degrees Celsius, and equivalent 25 years of service life, and meets Class 3 theft-proof requirements specified in EN 1627, EN 1630. The extreme tests are specially conducted for FusionModule1000A to ensure system performance and reliability. FusionModule1000A is the world's first all-in-one product that obtained Uptime Tier 3 Ready certification, providing ultimate reliable experience. The Huawei Net Eco Management System centralizes the management of data centers. Besides, Huawei leverages unique AI-based technologies such as iCooling, iPower, and iManager to achieve smart management. With tablets, it provides local visualized monitoring. Together with mobile app, it enables the unattended site. Huawei prefabricated all-in-one data center has ranked #1 in global shipments for 5 consecutive years from 2014 to 2018. Prefabricated all-in-one data center, 100% prefabricated, plug and play.